So part of my journey in Feng Shui with my teachers and studying with the Taoists and studying with the Buddhists was also understanding blessings and how to move forward and change the subatomic information now, which is probably the quantum field information that scientists are talking about, where, for example, two particles in the quantum field, if you influence one, the other is influenced immediately, regardless of the distance that they are apart. And Qigong science talks about this very much, about that how we can influence anything by our mind, or certainly it can influence us. In other words, if I'm thinking of a particular tree, like I'm in nature right now, if I reach out with my mind and look and touch a tree, then actually what's happening is the energy of that tree and my energy are touching. In other words, my mental energy, the Chinese in Qigong say that the brain or the mind is a special kind of qi. So even thinking of a friend, your energy and theirs are touching. Now, if they're healthy, that's a positive. If they're not so healthy, that's not so good. So you want to build your energy so that when you reach out and touch nature, touch a tree, think of a friend, therefore that's a positive experience for you. But also in Qigong, it teaches you how when you touch something like that mentally, that you can influence it. Or you can do the other, which is you think of a beautiful place in nature and you draw that impact into your system, that nourishing energy into your system. So in Feng Shui, and the higher levels of Feng Shui, I was studying how to do blessings, how to remove the negative information, not only in objects, but in environments, in homes, and in land. Blessings, clearing things. And at those levels in Feng Shui, you get into dealing with things that are in the unseen world. You're talking about entities, you're talking about things that have been left behind. I'm interested in what works. And so using tools like dowsing, using kinesiology, and also using biofeedback computers, we were getting these results, but also learning to feel qi, whether the qi field is strong or it collapses. That's a skill that's developed over time. So those skills have moved me forward into the evolution of the Zenki products.